In today's digital age, teenagers have more opportunities than ever to earn money. Whether you're saving for college, a new gadget, or just want some extra spending money, there's likely a side hustle perfect for you. Here are the 30 best side hustles for teens to consider. Babysitting. A classic job for teens, babysitting can be a great way to earn money while taking care of younger kids in your neighborhood. Pet sitting dog. Walking. If you love animals, consider offering pet sitting or dog walking services. Many people are willing to pay for someone trustworthy to care for their pets. Lawn care. Mowing lawns, raking leaves, or shoveling snow can be lucrative, especially if you have your own equipment. Tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, offer tutoring services to younger students or peers who might need help. Selling handmade crafts. Sites like Etsy allow you to sell handmade items. If you're crafty, this could be a great fit. Freelance writing. Many online platforms and blogs pay for articles. If you have a knack for writing, consider freelancing. Graphic design. If you're skilled in graphic design, offer your services to local businesses or online. Photography. Offer portrait sessions for families, friends, or events. If you have a good camera and an eye for photography, this can be quite profitable. Car washing. Start a car washing service in your neighborhood. It requires minimal equipment and can be a fun way to earn money. Teaching music lessons. If you play an instrument well, consider teaching lessons to younger kids. Baking and cooking. Sell homemade baked goods or meals. Ensure you follow any local health regulations. YouTube channel. If you have a passion or hobby, start a YouTube channel. With consistent content and viewership, you can earn money through ads. Blogging. Start a blog on a topic you're passionate about. With enough traffic, you can earn through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Dropshipping. Start an online store and sell products without holding inventory. When someone orders, you purchase the product from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. Print on demand. Design custom t-shirts, mugs, or other items and sell them online. The items are printed and shipped only when someone orders. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Online surveys. While they won't make you rich, taking online surveys can be a way to earn a bit of extra cash. Selling stock photos. If you're good at photography, consider selling your photos on stock platforms like Shutterstock. Gaming. Platforms like Twitch allow gamers to stream their gameplay and earn money through ads, donations, and sponsorships. App development. If you're tech-savvy, consider developing and selling your own apps. Flipping items. Buy items at a lower price and sell them for a profit. This can be done with thrift store finds, garage sale items, or even online. House cleaning. Offer cleaning services to neighbors or friends' families. Social media management. Many small businesses need help managing their social media. Offer your services to create posts and manage their accounts. Teaching online classes. Use platforms like Udemy to teach a skill you're proficient in. Virtual assistant. Offer services like email management, calendar scheduling, or data entry to businesses online. Renting out your gadgets. If you have gadgets like drones or cameras, consider renting them out. Reviewing products. Some companies pay for honest reviews of their products. Running errands. Offer to run errands for busy adults or elderly neighbors. T-shirt design. Platforms like Teespring allow you to design and sell custom t-shirts without any upfront costs. Podcasting. Start a podcast on a topic you're passionate about. With a good listenership, you can earn through sponsorships and ads. The opportunities for teens to earn money are vast and varied. With a bit of creativity, dedication, and hard work, you can turn your skills and passions into a profitable side hustle. Remember to always check local regulations and get any necessary permissions, especially if you're under 18. Whether you're looking to save, spend, or invest, there's a side hustle out there for every teenager. Understanding your market. Before diving into any side hustle, it's crucial to understand your target market. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and preferences? By understanding your audience, you can tailor your services or products to meet their specific needs, increasing your chances of success. Setting realistic goals. While it's tempting to dream big, it's essential to set realistic goals for your side hustle. Start small, establish a solid foundation, and then expand as you gain more experience and confidence. This approach will prevent you from becoming overwhelmed and will allow you to learn and adapt as you go. One of the most crucial as